Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Today, we got another review for you guys to check out. Now, this is going to be a review on the S View wallet case from Samsung for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, okay? Now, for those of you all who have not watched the unboxing video, this smartphone actually belongs to my wife. There's some gifts that were given by Samsung for us ordering through Samsung. We ordered what is an unlocked version of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Okay, so we got this gift. We got two more gifts that we're going to review, but for right now, we are going to review the S View wallet case. Now, we need some protection. Now, this is going to aid in accessorizing with whatever you may have on for the day, and I do like the color of this one, although the color isn't really for me for everyday use, but my wife is going to be using this phone, so this is hers. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's open up the box. Now, I don't know how much it costs online, but I will be leaving the uh, link in the description box for you guys to go check it out, okay? You do get these instructions. I say don't get rid of the instructions. I say keep the instructions around because you just may need it, okay? So we're going to put that to the side real quick. And then here it is. We have the case in this little package here. And then we also have the case itself. Now, the cutouts, I'm quite sure, are going to be precise because they're coming directly from Samsung. You still got the Samsung logo on the back, just like you have the Samsung logo on the back of the smartphone, which is cool, right? And so the front of the case, what I like about this, guys, is that it feels really smooth compared to past cases that's like this from Samsung. This one feels different. It feels premium. It feels actually really, really soft, okay? And then the front has this little window. You have your earpiece right there. Of course, you have your volume button. Now, what's good about this, right, that nobody's talking about that I know of yet is that it has that like polished look to it. I mean, it's a matte look, but it's different from the way the case look itself. So if we look at the buttons here, it has that polished look. So I like the detail that Samsung added to this, right? It really makes the case stand out just a little bit better from the side, but this isn't bad. You get the cutouts down at the bottom. I'm quite sure all of these are going to work simply because it's coming from Samsung. And when we open up the case, I'm going to get rid of this. This is protecting what looks to be the felt, right? Which is really, really nice and soft. And what I like about this is that it's going to protect the back of the phone from scratching, right? A lot of cases do not offer this, but this is nice from Samsung. So the detailing of this case, I kind of like. It's not bad at all. Okay. And of course, you cut out, and then you get, like for me, anyway, I like this because I like to travel light and only carry like 2 cards with me. So it seems like it'll hold 2 cards with no problem, maybe 3 if you give it a shot, right? Which isn't bad. But overall, the case is lightweight. All right. I think it's nice. I think it feels good. But let's go ahead. Let's put this case on and see how it feels. Now, as you've seen, as soon as I put it in, it cuts on. Now, I don't know if it cuts on because it hit this button or if it cuts on because it knows the connection of this actual case is paired to it automatically. So let's close it. Yep, automatically. Now here, what you have is you have your time. Little small window. I like a bigger window, but this also works. I mean, this is a premium look so far as the case is concerned, which isn't bad. But I was told if you double tap, you can bring it up. You double tap again. You can go to your messages if you have messages. I don't have any messages, but you can see you'll get to your messages from here. You can also make a phone call. Not make a phone call. If you get a phone call, you can answer the phone call from here. You got your battery life, which is important. You got the time, which is important. And this is not bad at all. And so you open it up here. It brings you right to your phone. Now, the thing about this that I'm not able to really show about the phone calls and or about your text messages. So if you tap on this and you open your text messages, when you open up the phone, if you have your lock screen on where you have to put in some numbers or use your fingerprint scanner to open it up, it will take you to the notifications right then and there, which is also awesome. I do like if you want this to stay on, you can set that, right? So all we got to do is open up the case. We're going to go to settings. And when you get to settings, I would say just type in always. I've already been here. And so I'm going to tap there and then it'll bring this up. So what you need to do is tap on the first one that says always on display. And then here, right here where it says tap to show, tap there. And then now you can set it. You can set it to show always. You can set it for a schedule only set to show for new notifications, which I think is awesome. And we're going to put it here to show always, right? Which I want to see my clock all the time. This is not going to burn out that much battery life, so I don't think you would have to worry about that at all. So let's go ahead. Let's close it. Let's set it down for a couple of seconds and see if it cuts off. Now, I do like this look. It does have a premium look. All right. So now it went off and came back on. I don't know what that's about, but it's been doing that a couple of times. So it will stay on. You don't have to worry about it. This is probably where I would leave it at when I get my phone in case. I thought that was a pretty good feature. And then there's another feature that you can add to this as well to customize the little window. So go here. On some people's phones, it's down at the bottom. Mine is not down at the bottom for some reason. I don't know why that is, but if I go here and I tap in screen cover, it'll come up, right? So I'm going to hit cover. I've already been here, and then I tap here, and then here it is right here where you can go to clock style, and you can change the look of the clock style, right? Which I thought was nice. So let's tap this one. I hope that we can download this in the Google theme store, you know, different ones for the window. That would be nice. I don't know if we can do that yet. But then now, oh, I didn't set it. Let's go ahead. Let's set this. Uh, okay, let's tap on it, and we want to go ahead and hit done. Now you can customize it also, right? So you get colors, you get the text color you can change. This is definitely nice. I do like this. And we're gonna put it on that one, right? We're gonna hit done, and that should save it. If we close it, now the digital time shows differently. So I like the fact that you can customize this little window. So all in all, guys, I think the case is nice, right? Does it add to the bulk of it? A little bit, but not much because the case is lightweight. But you can still feel the hefty weight of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, especially with this case on. But again, it's not a deal breaker because what it gives you is a premium feel so far as the case. Now, the S Pen comes out with no problem with the case on, and then it doesn't show anything else different, but here, you put it back in. You got your grill for your speakers. You also get your USB Type-C port also to plug it up. And then all the cutouts are precise. I think this looks pretty nice. Now, it's got a little flex in the case, as you can see, right? When you move it. So I think it's not bad. I will leave a link in the description box down below for those of you all who want to check out this case. I think it's decent, especially if you're going to be dressing up or you want a different case to wear when you're going out to impress. This is definitely going to be the case to buy. All right. With that being said, thank you guys. Oh, one more thing. As you've seen, every time I open up the phone, it changes the minutes on the phone, right? So let's try that again. So I thought that was nice. And then it looks like it goes into a bland mode and sort of like an always on mode because this is on already. So that's why it cuts off to put it in that mode to save battery. So this is nice. Now, what's even nicer is that you can also go right here to change the look of the time right here on the actual case while it's closed. All right. So let's open it up because it has to be on. All right. And so now I could press and hold, and then I could scroll through the different windows or different themes that I want to have, which I thought was nice, right? This is actually really cool. I do like this. This is fun. So if you want to change it right from here, you do not have to open the phone to do so, but you do have to open it in order to cut the window on. All right. And then you could choose whichever window screen watch time you want. This is definitely, I got to say, it's nice. It says cover screen setting. Here it says open it up, and then you can go and get a better look at some of the S View cover faces that you could put on there in the window. So this is nice. I do like this. This is definitely a good look. But tell me, what do you think of this? So you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of this case. All right, that's going to be it. Hit that like button, smash the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy, have fun, and be safe.